Today's a special day. Today marks the 1-year anniversary of the episode last year where I had to leave the building because they shut the water off all day because they were cleaning the water tank on the roof. So to celebrate, I'm leaving the building again because they're shutting the water off to clean the water tank on the roof. It should be exciting. Today we're heading back over to the Hudson to check out some more of the Pier parks, including one that's brand new and just opened. Let's go. I realized I totally got on the wrong train. So yeah, I was on cruise control and got on the wrong subway. But this one went pretty much the same place. So 6 of one, quarter bushel of the other. It worked out. Here we are. We are back in Hudson Yards, which is not where we're going today. We'll go this way. This is the DeWitt Center. It's the convention center in New York. Hey, it's Felicity. So like I said, today we're going to pick up on some pier parks that we haven't hit yet over on the Hudson River, including Pier 97, which is brand new. It just opened like a week ago. That'll be the last one we visit, so stick around to catch that one at the end. On the way now, over there you see that's the newly opened part of the High Line. That wasn't open when we did the High Line. We'll have to come back and see that another time. Oh, we made it over to the Hudson. This first pier is Pier 76, which I think is a park. I think we get in over here. This part of it at this end, though, is a classic car club. Cool. True to form, Pier 76 seems to be closed right now. If you can see over there, there's a huge propeller, though. That's actually the propeller from the USS United States, which was a cruise ship from years ago. So that's cool. Otherwise, there's the pier. I guess we'll move on. It's one of the ferry terminals to get to New Jersey. So those towers we just passed are the vent shafts for the Lincoln Tunnel. I had to lose the jacket. We went through fake fall and now we're into second summer. It's hot again, but it's cool in the shade, so you can't win really. Circle Line Tours, the famous tour company that goes around the island. They're good. Another chain gang. So the first open pier park that we come to is Pier 84. Let's have a look. Nice green space in the middle. I'm having deja vu though. I feel like this looks a lot like a park that we've already been to, but I know we haven't done this one yet. I've been here before, but it's a pier. It's a park. It's a pier park. There's some fishing and some crabbing and some other extracurriculars going on around here. But what's really kind of interesting about this park is it's right next to the pier with the Intrepid. The Intrepid, it's a World War II era aircraft that has been decommissioned and is now a museum. So there are lots of planes on there, maybe a space shuttle, Concorde, lots of stuff. Back to this pier, when the season's right, you can kayak here. There's some cool water stuff. I didn't see that when we came in. It's pretty big. I haven't been to the Intrepid again since I moved back. I went as a kid, I think, but I'm gonna get back there someday. It's another propeller. I mean, how many propellers do you usually see in a day? Nice. The Intrepid's back there. Part of the museum, they also have a submarine. This is the USS Growler, which I believe was ordered in 1954. And it was one of the US's first attempts at building a ballistic missile submarine. Cool. And right next to the old submarine, you have the cruise terminal for New York. We're gonna go that way.
Now
not much going on along here. Very narrow pathway, lots of joggers and bikers, construction. It's a nice park over there though, it looks like. Working on something back here. We're gonna take a break from the pier and stray back into the city for a second to find something else on the way. Should be right there. But then we'll come back and find that last pier. I just realized I've been here before. It's the back of it though, so I didn't recognize it. It is a nice park. We'll walk through it to get where I was gonna go. Or around it, I guess. I don't know, nice may be an overstatement. It's a park. Hey look, bathrooms. This is why I've been here. Field space. World War I monument. Special stop for no reason at all, except I knew it was over here. It's where they shoot The Daily Show. All right, let's go find that new pier park. Sanitation department. That's a lot of salt. Getting ready for winter. Hudson River Park at Pier 96, first off. Pier 97 is the new one, it's over there, but we'll hit this first. Nice green space, huh? Hey look, it's art. I was actually excited about this one. Come check it out. So this is called Private Passage. And inside this bottle is a representation of one of the staterooms from the Queen Mary. I don't know what you can actually see through the windows in the glare of the sun, but it's pretty cool. Look at the toilet. Coming up next, we made it. The brand new park at Pier 97. Let's go check it out. The finishing touches here. Right off, we got a children's playground. Beautiful brand new facilities. Look at this. Got some nice green space, lots of nice places to sit under the shade. Pretty nice little park. This is one of the attractions. I think they built it as a grown-up slide. Nice. After I said that, someone down below said they just went down and it was super fast. Now I'm excited. We'll get there. Let's take in the view first. All right, first glimpses. This thing's only been open a week. I like it. Another good pier park. All right, we're gonna give this slide a try. Ready? Very fast. Nice. Someone else walking up right as I went down said, that's what I came to do too. People have heard of the slide. I mean, it's a short little slide, but it's the little things, you know. Put this on your check it out list. A good little park, good trip, brand new. Come see it for yourself. I'm all done here, so I'm gonna head back to the subway. One thing I didn't see in the new park is bathrooms, but maybe that's what they're doing over there. Someday, maybe there'll be bathrooms here. It's like no place to cross here. I gotta walk back up here and go into the highway. It's that same old problem of being on the west side and needing to get back to the east side. So I got a little bit of a walk here. That's all right. Over here we got the CBS Broadcast Studios. It's an old massive warehouse they've converted into a massive studio. It keeps going all the way down there, all the way down there. We're getting there. We've had to walk 5 blocks over. One more block. Right over here, we got the old Hearst Building. The old part of the building is still there, but they added onto it. If you look, you get that funky looking tower that's sticking out of the top of it. It's built on top of the old building. Made it back to Carnegie Hall and the queue. Back up to the east side. Well, that was a nice first look at a brand new Pier Park. If you're new here, be sure to check out the rest of the channel up to the east side on YouTube. There's a whole other season to catch up on. If you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe and tell all your friends about it. It helps me to keep doing what I'm doing. Be sure to look for new episodes every Friday. I'll see you next time.